3 reasons why you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1, the soft medical grade material makes it comfortable to wear all night long and with no custom fitting required. Number 2, ZQuiet is prescription free and requires no doctor visits or expensive sleep studies. And finally, number 3, it's the only snoring solution that attacks the root cause of your snoring, which is the soft tissue falling back in your throat and obstructing your airway. Since using ZQuiet, I have stopped snoring altogether. I feel more rested and alert during the day, and my blood pressure is back in a safe and healthy range. ZQuiet is FDA cleared and doctor recommended. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try ZQuiet.